sometimes protecting someone too much is the fastest way to break them. Sounds cruel, right? But it's true. You love them. You want to keep them safe. But what if your protection is the very thing holding them back? What if your constant worry is planting fear instead of strength? On my street, two families raise kids very differently. One gives their kids space to play, fall, make mistakes, laugh, and explore. These kids are bold, joyful, creative. The other, they control everything. Clothes, schedule, friends, even sleepovers. Their kids? Silent, scared, watching the fun, but never joining. Because they weren't allowed to live. Imagine building a bird cage so strong that the bird never flies. That's what overprotection does. It looks like love, but it kills freedom. It stops growth. It creates adults who never learn how to live because someone was always afraid for them. And here's the twist. Parents who try to control everything end up feeling the most stressed. Why? Because no matter how much they try, they can't shield their kids from life. And deep down, they know it. So ask yourself, do you want to raise someone who's safe or someone who's strong? Because you can't do both. Let them live. Let them fall. Let them rise again on their own. Sometimes, love means letting go. Not completely, but just enough for them to become who they were meant to be.